To set color for items on lock screen to adapt from wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the clock and then select small circle with letter A inside for the color. Tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the color of items on your lock screen such as clock, widget, and notification will be adapted from the lock screen wallpaper. By having this setting, if you change the lock screen wallpaper, the color of the items on your lock screen will be adapted automatically with the wallpaper so that they can have matching colors. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.